Hello, hello. Good morning. We are now here in the beach. The Esmeralda Beach. Look at. Yan. Maganda na dito. Unlike before. Nung pumunta kami, hindi pa ganito kaganda. Ngayon, ito na. Ganda na niya. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda na ng beach resort ng Esmeralda dito. Ito sa bayan ng Marabot, Samar. Ito. Nandito ako ngayon. Yan. This is the beach. Morning sa inyo. Happy weekend. Dito ako nagbe-beach sa Esmeralda. Ito yung area. Yan oh. Maganda na dito sa beach ng Esmeralda. Yan mga friend, if you are going to hang out in the beach, come here at Esmeralda Beach Resort. This is in Marabot, Samar. It's not so far from Tacloban. 30 minutes away from Tacloban. We're already here. Friends all over the world. Ito ang ganda dito. Look, the rock formation looks like in El Nido. Friend. Oh, ganda, di ba? Meron pa silang bangka dyan. Yung kanilang cottage ay 2-story. Pwede ditong mag-overnight. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang beach. The sand is not white, but look, maganda rin kahit hindi white sand. It looks like El Nido in Palawan, but this is Marabot, Samar. The rock formation is very nice. Look, ang ganda. Nice. And the other side of the sea is Tacloban City. So this is not so far from Tacloban. It takes only 30 to 40 minutes for travel if you have your own car. And here, this is their cottages. So this is nice to hang out, mga friend. Okay. So, meron pa sila bagong ginagawang beach. Ay, mga cottage. So, ang ganda So, friends abroad, come here at Esmeralda. This is a nice place to hang out when you take vacation. Here. Mga bagong cottages ginagawa. This is the area. Come, visit in Esmeralda. Nice one. Oh, I'm making a vlog. Mga der. So you're the starting of my vlog. Wow, pasel. Model. Friends, followers and friends, this is Esmeralda. Come and visit. This is a nice place to hang out. Ang dami ko kasing ang ganda nila. Pakita ko ulit yung mga legs. Iba-iba talagang baby sa hindi ko.